We have picked the best cordless edgers based on performance, ease of use, and value for money to help you keep your lawn edges neat without the hassle of gas or cords. Whether you need a lightweight option for quick touch-ups or a powerful tool for deep, precise cuts, there's something here for every yard size and budget. Each of these edgers offers convenience, clean cuts, and user-friendly features, so you can get the job done faster and with less effort. Let's dive into the top picks. At number 5, we have the Greenworks 40-volt 8-inch brushless edger, tool only. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep your lawn edges clean and sharp, this battery-powered edger is a solid choice. It features an 8-inch blade with a curb wheel, ensuring precise and consistent cuts along sidewalks and driveways. The brushless motor delivers more power and a longer lifespan while keeping operation quiet. Designed for ease of use, it has a toolless depth adjustment, giving you full control over cutting depth, and its lightweight build helps reduce fatigue during longer jobs. Plus, since it's fully electric, there's no gas, no oil, and no maintenance. Just charge the battery and get to work. Keep in mind, this version does not include the battery or charger, so you'll need a compatible Greenworks 40-volt battery, if you don't already have one. At number 4, we have the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max cordless edger lawn kit. If you want a simple, lightweight edger that gets the job done without the bulk, this one is a solid option. It runs on a 20-volt max battery, giving you enough power to edge up to 815 on a single charge. The adjustable depth settings let you control how deep you cut, making it versatile for different lawn needs. One of its biggest advantages is its lightweight design, which is 33% lighter than similar models. That means less strain on your arms and back, so you can work longer without fatigue. Plus, the integrated edge guide helps you stay on track for clean, precise lines along driveways and sidewalks. This version includes the 1.5 Ah battery and charger, so it's ready to go right out of the box. Perfect for quick, low-maintenance edging jobs without the hassle of cords or gas. At number 3, we have the CRAFTSMAN 20V Max Cordless Edger. This battery-powered edger is built for quick and hassle-free lawn maintenance. With a powerful motor, it delivers up to 7 minutes of runtime, making it a good fit for small to medium yards. The integrated edge guide helps keep your cuts straight and precise along sidewalks and driveways. At just 8 pounds, it's one of the lightest options available, so you can move it around easily without feeling weighed down. Plus, it's designed with seamless mobility, rolling smoothly as you work. If you're already using the VersaTrack wall organization system, you can conveniently hang it for easy storage. This version includes a 2.0 battery and charger, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Great for anyone who wants a lightweight, cordless solution for keeping their lawn edges neat. At number 2, we have the DEWALT 20 Max Brushless Cordless Edger, Bare Tool. If you're looking for power and precision, this edger delivers with a high-efficiency brushless motor designed to handle tough jobs while maximizing battery life. The edge guide helps you achieve clean, accurate cuts, and the 3-position depth adjustment lets you cut up to 2 inches deep, giving you full control over your edging. Comfort is also a priority with the adjustable bail handle, so you can customize your grip for better control and reduce strain. At 10 pounds, it's sturdy, but still easy to maneuver for consistent results. Keep in mind, this is a bare tool, meaning the battery and charger are sold separately. If you're already using DEWALT 20V Max tools, this is a great addition to your setup for professional-looking edges without the hassle of gas. At number 1, we have the Worx GT 3.0 20V PowerShare 12 Edger and Weed Trimmer. This 2-in-1 tool makes switching between trimming and edging effortless. Just flip it in seconds to get the job done. The rubberized wheels help guide the edger for straighter lines and cleaner cuts, while the adjustable spacer guard keeps plants and landscape features safe. With a 90-degree tilting head, you can easily trim along slopes and reach tricky areas without straining. Plus, the command feed system gives you instant line feeding at the push of a button. No bumping required. This kit includes two 20V PowerShare batteries and a charger, so you get longer runtime and the flexibility to use the batteries with other Worx tools. At just 6 pounds, it's lightweight but powerful, making it a great choice for easy, hassle-free lawn care. No matter your lawn care needs, these cordless edgers offer a hassle-free way to keep your yard looking sharp. From lightweight, beginner-friendly options to powerful, precision-focused tools, there's a perfect fit for every job.